Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Frontier tail light. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket and ratchet. Make sure you have your new tail light assembly or the specific bulbs you need, such as a 3157 for the tail light. Always work on a level surface and engage your parking brake for safety. Now, let's remove the old tail light. Begin by opening your Nissan Frontier's tailgate. You will see two bolts on the inside edge of the tail light assembly, usually 10mm or Phillips head. Unscrew these two bolts completely. Once the bolts are out, firmly but gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back towards you. It is held in place by a single alignment peg and a plastic grommet. If you are only replacing a bulb, this step is for you. On the back of the removed tail light assembly, you will find several bulb sockets. To remove a socket, twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it out. The old bulb then pulls straight out from the socket. Insert your new bulb, like a 3157, firmly into the socket, then twist the socket clockwise back into the housing until it locks. To finish up, align the new or reassembled tail light with the opening. Ensure the guide pin on the outer edge slides into its corresponding hole in the truck body. Push the assembly firmly until it sits flush. Reinstall the two 10mm or Phillips head bolts and tighten them gently, avoiding over-tightening. Finally, test your brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.